Are you ready? AJ, you want to take a picture? Okay, take a picture. Ready? Go. Oh, pretty picture. Do it again. No, don't just shake your head. Stay still for the picture. Okay, here we go. Okay, like this. Very good. You gonna smile for Grandpa? For the picture? Smile. What happened to your chin? What's this? What happened?
I fell down the truck.
You fell down the truck?
Yes.
Aww. You want to take a picture for Grandpa?
Yes.
Okay. Show me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Picture! Good picture. Okay, say now bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.